theme for the swearing-in ceremony for the president of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, is similar to the one he used during his campaign, securing the future.
The president-elect Yoweri Museveni was declared winner of the January 14, 2021 presidential elections.
Minister Esther Mbayo says at least 21 heads of state have confirmed their attendance, with the invitation also extended to the losers in the presidential race, and these include NUP leader Robert Chagulanyi, DP's Norbert Mao, Greg Mugisha Muntu of the Alliance for National Transformation, and Lieutenant General Henry Tumukunde.
We have extended invitation to a few numbers of people to the tune of 4,042.
We thank them for inviting us, but personally, I can't be at that swearing-in ceremony. I can't go to celebrate impunity. I can't go to celebrate manipulation, deception, lies, cheating.
We have not gotten that invitation letter. We have not seen it. But even if it eventually comes, we are certainly going to discard it. It's actually corny of them to think they can invite us, after the grand theft that was exhibited in this election, the brutality. People were murdered. People are languishing in jail simply because they were supporting one candidate as opposed to Museveni.
We have not yet received such invitation. But even in circumstances where the invitation is extended to us, definitely we cannot attend. And the reason for not attending is that we don't believe, as the Democratic Party, that President Museveni was legitimately elected.
In January 2020, government had asked for 7 billion shillings to host the event.
AGDALIVE EDOBOOZI LYE'GOMBA.